Hey guys, so today I'm here and I'm going to be doing a review on the L'Oreal. This is the Infallible Pro Glow Foundation, and I do have mine in 201 Classic Ivory. This is the lightest shade in this range. And I also do have a review if you guys do want to see it on the L'Oreal Pro Matte one. So if you want to check that out, I do have that as well. But lately I've been loving this. I absolutely love this. Spoiler, it's amazing. It's what I got on right now. I think this is just so awesome. I'm comparing this actually to my Smashbox 15 Hour Wear Foundation, which I am obsessed with. I love that foundation. I used it all up. This is amazing. It reminds me so much of it, how it lays on the skin, how it feels like there's nothing on. I love how it doesn't accentuate anything, and it just feels good. It looks good. Like, it looks so good. It just sits on the skin beautifully. There's nothing that's like holding on to anything. There's no weird patches. I do, when I use this, I like to take and set this. I use my Too Faced Peach Perfect setting powder, which is right back here. I use that all over the face and kind of set it. Every so many hours I'll take and just set a little bit more powder where I get a little oily, but I've been loving this. I've been so dry skinned and I keep getting sick, and honestly this has just really helped me a lot, and it's really cheap and affordable from the drugstore. Really highly recommend. I know this year is going to be a low buy for me. However, I really needed something to change my foundation because a lot of the foundations I have are all matte and it just wasn't really working out right now. But this is amazing. I absolutely love this. Highly recommend it. I think if you're dry, normal or dry skin, I think you're going to love this. If you're oily, I would say no, go for the Pro Matte. But if you are normal or dry skinned, you will love this. Definitely worth the hype. I think this is amazing, and I can see why people love it so much. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Alright, thanks guys. Bye.